We now want to listen live to the spokesperson for the Palestinian Health Ministry, who is speaking from the largest hospital in the Gaza Strip, al-Shifa hospital.
During these attacks, but the Red Cross told us and informed us in a very frank way that Israel is rejecting any form of coordination for all the humanitarian missions. However, and given the escalating situation and the increase in numbers of wounded and injured, especially critically injured people that cannot be treated here in our hospitals, as I mentioned earlier, and given the increasing number and the huge number of the injured people that are arriving at the Indonesian hospital and other medical centers that are unable to absorb and treat those huge numbers, and after approving that some of the patients will be transported and transferred to Egypt, we then have decided to send those ambulance vehicles that would leave or depart from the medical complex from the south at 4 p.m. And before the vehicles departed, we have informed everyone through a press conference, and we have also been in touch with the International Council and the Red Cross and also the United Nations agencies to inform them. The whole world have watched that those vehicles departed from al-Shifa Medical Center at 4 p.m. However, Israel and the aggression of Israel has attacked and targeted and attacked the ambulance, causing a massacre against victims, civilians, and wounded people. And given these massacres and the Israeli aggression, that is using the silence of the international community as a green light to continue to commit more massacres against our people, our injured, and our paramedics, and our hospitals, and also ambulance vehicles and humanitarian missions. And given this massacre, we confirm the following. First, we demand from the international community to shoulder its responsibility given those practices and aggressions being committed by Israel on a daily basis in Gaza. And that is against humanitarian law and Geneva Convention. The international community should stop those massacres that are committed against our people and our paramedics and our injured and victims. We call on everyone to help us create a humanitarian corridor to ensure the transportation of victims and patients and to allow humanitarian aids to be funneled to Gaza Strip. We also demand the Red Cross to activate the 4th Convention of Geneva in order to protect the health facilities and facilitate the work of the paramedics and ambulance vehicles in order to evacuate and transport victims, wounded, and patients with no restrictions and no targeting. Peace be upon you.